Hey everyone, it's Tom here with thisonlineworld.com, and we're all having a fantastic day today. So I've tested out dozens of survey sites over the years, and guys, I think I might have just found my favorite one. It's a newer company in the space called Prime Opinion, and with this survey site, you can easily make $5 to $20 a day, or even more, just by sharing your opinion. But is Prime Opinion really that good? Is it a scam? Is it legit? What's the honest truth about Prime Opinion? Well, I signed up, I tested it out, I cashed out, and this Prime Opinion review is sharing how it works, its earning potential, some tricks for earning more, and some of your best alternatives you can also consider. Let's get to it. All right, so just starting off quickly, what is Prime Opinion? Well, it's a newer survey platform that's available in dozens of countries across the world, and like other survey sites, it lets you make money in your spare time by completing short surveys. So you sign up, you start completing surveys, and you can then cash out for a variety of rewards, including dozens of free gift cards and PayPal cash. Now, surveys are really the main way to make money with Prime Opinion, so you're not going to find a lot of those GPT-style offers you'll find with some other sites like Prize Rebel or Free Cash, but again, the survey rates are very high paying. I think it has a great user interface, and let's hop into how it works. I'll show you guys my account to kind of walk you through the steps. All right, so how does Prime Opinion work and how do you make money with this site? Well, the first step is just to sign up. And again, what I mentioned earlier is Prime Opinion's free and it's available in dozens of different countries, which I really like. And what's kind of cool about Prime Opinion is you choose your welcome bonus. So when you sign up, you can choose a $1, $2, or $5 welcome bonus worth of points. So I thought this was pretty unique. And basically you pick the welcome bonus you want, and then you have to earn a certain amount of points to unlock that bonus later on. So it's not instant upfront cash, but I like that you can potentially get $5 for free if you pick the highest welcome bonus and put in a bit of effort. From there, you just start answering surveys to begin making money. And as you can see on my dashboard, there are tons of available surveys, and they typically pay anywhere from about 15 cents to $2, but you can find ones over $2 sometimes. What I also like about the surveys is, for one, they have a time estimate, and then two, they have a star rating system. So on Prime Opinion, when you finish a survey, you can give it a star rating. And this is basically a way for users to say, hey, this was a great experience, or this survey was kind of frustrating and glitchy. Stay away from this one. And I found the rating systems pretty accurate. And honestly, I'm pretty surprised by the survey site overall. This was the fastest time I've ever cashed out with a survey site. I basically signed up, answered a couple of surveys, and I earned $5 and could cash out. And the UI is great. I was barely getting disqualified. Surveys that said they took 20 minutes were taking me 10 minutes. You know, pretty much everything went super smooth, and I'm very impressed with Prime Opinion. Prime Opinion also has a few other ways to earn though, just besides answering surveys. For one, there's a leaderboard system that pays out thousands of dollars each month to top members. There's a referral program that pays you $1 worth of points when you invite someone, and there's a daily login and survey streak that pays you bonus points the more consistent you are. Prime Opinion's also adding a new system where you can level up your account and get better perks and some bonus points, so that's kind of cool to see. But again, surveys are the main way to make money, but I think it's one of the best survey sites I've ever tried. All right, so let's go through some payment proof and cashing out and how you actually, extract your earnings from Prime Opinion. Like I mentioned, I earned $5 with Prime Opinion. This was from me signing up, getting the $1 welcome bonus, and answering a couple of surveys, and it took under an hour. Now, I cashed out with PayPal, and I can confirm that Prime Opinion paid me on time and that it's legit. And yeah, again, super straightforward, really easy to use, and you can also redeem a bunch of gift cards to companies like Amazon, Best Buy, H&M, IKEA, Sephora, and Walmart. And again, a $5 cash out minimum is pretty reasonable and standard in the world of paid surveys. And with that welcome bonus, again, you can cash out your first time pretty quickly. All right, so let's talk about the earning potential. How much can you realistically make per day or per month with Prime Opinion? Well, the platform is, like I mentioned, one of the higher paying survey sites out there. Surveys usually pay about $1 or $2, but you can find ones that pay a little bit more. But I think the earning potential is pretty decent for surveys because you're not getting disqualified a lot. At least I wasn't. The UI is great, surveys load fast, it's not buggy, and yeah, I had a pretty solid experience overall. Realistically, I think most people could make $5 to $10 a day with Prime Opinion if they answer a couple of surveys in their spare time. And again, it's very simple to use, and it even has an Android and iOS app. So my tip would be to download the apps, try them, on your way to work or on your lunch break, or maybe when you're watching TV at home or something like that. And I think earning at least $5 a day is pretty easy to do. All right, so the pros and cons, what are the advantages and disadvantages of using Prime Opinion? Well, the first pro I want to mention is just the sheer number of surveys. I really like that I was qualifying for a lot of surveys. I wasn't getting disqualified, and also that there's just tons of surveys on the dashboard. And the second pro I want to cover is just its great UX. I mean, the user interface is great. It wasn't buggy, and yeah, again, nothing really bad to say about the website interface itself. And the third pro is just fast payouts. I mean, a $5 cash out minimum is pretty reasonable. You get paid really quickly in a day or two. So again, no complaints there. As for the cons, the first one I want to mention is that you still get disqualified sometimes. This is a survey site like any other. So you might answer a few questions, get a little bit into a survey, and then you answer one question and they say, you're not a good fit. So that can be kind of frustrating. And the second con I want to mention is that the time estimates and rating system isn't always accurate. Now, funnily enough, this worked out in my favor. I was answering a couple of surveys that said they were 15 or 20 minutes, and they took me like 7 or 8 minutes to complete. So it kind of worked backwards. But there was one instance where I clicked on a $3 survey for like 50 cents or something like that, and I think it took me closer to 10 minutes. So again, a little bit hit or miss. But anyways, guys, what is the scam or legit score for Prime Opinion? Well, I'm giving it a 4.5 out of 5. And honestly, this was a surprise for me. It's a newer player in the space. I heard about them before, and I've written a review on thisonlineworld.com. I've talked to their team a little bit because I'm promoting it on my blog just to be transparent with you guys. So we've started establishing this kind of affiliate relationship, and I was like, okay, let's test it out more. Let's learn more about this platform. And yeah, it works super, super well, and I was very surprised. I promise that this video is not sponsored. Prime Opinion is not sponsoring this video, but yeah, I'm pretty pleased with the survey site. I think Prime Opinion, Branded Surveys, Survey Junkie, I think they're in that A tier list of survey sites, and yeah, overall I think it's a pretty solid site to check out, and I like that it's really globally friendly. Now, I'm going to be linking my Prime Opinion review down below, as well as a link to sign up with if you want to help support the channel, and I'm also going to link my instant cash survey guide that you can also use to start making money in your spare time. But anyways, guys, that does it for this one. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all have a fantastic day and week, and as always, don't forget to check out thisonlineworld.com for more unique ways to make and save money. Catch you guys in the next one.